When an alpha particle of mass m moving with velocity v bombards on a heavy nucleus of a charge Ze, its distance of closest approach from the nucleus depends on m as what we need to find here. Okay, so here we know that at the closest distance of approach, the particle's kinetic energy will be entirely converted into electrostatic potential energy. Then the kinetic energy is given by, that is Ke kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, half mv square, and the potential energy is given by, that is Pe is equal to K times Q into Q divided by R. And at the point of closest approach, the kinetic energy equals the potential energy. Then we can write, that is half mv square kinetic energy is equal to potential energy K Q Q divided by R. Then from this one we can say that R is inversely proportional to the mass here. Then option A is the right answer.